Let's learn about Terragrunt, a theme wrapper for the Terraform. But before starting with the Terragrunt, let's discuss about the Terraform. Terraform is an automation tool to build, change and manage versioning infrastructure safely and effectively. Terraform can manage exciting and popular service providers like AWS Cloud, Google Cloud, as well as the custom solutions. The key features of the Terraform are infrastructure as a code, execution plan, resource graph, and the change automation. To learn more about Terraform, please follow the links. So what is Terragrunt? Terragrunt is a thin wrapper for the Terraform that provides extra tools for keeping your Terraform configuration dry, working with the multiple Terraform modules and managing report state. How? Let's learn. Suppose you want to create some infrastructure resource. Those are distributed into multiple AWS services, and now you have to deploy them into multiple environments and multiple regions. So, as shown here, this can be directory structure of your app, having directory as an environment and the subdirectories as a region. But from seeing this architecture, you derive the problem, and the problem is code duplication. And with the code duplication, the major issue is how to manage changes. So let's discuss about the solution. This is the simplest solution you can implement to manage the multiple environments using Terraform models. Terraform models, what is that? Terraform models are the group of the resources. Let's say it's a recipe that can create a bunch of resources for you. So as shown here, we will going to have a one wrapper call module having directories for environment, for the services, and each service will have their Terraform files with the resources. And then we can create another wrapper called foo, which going to have directories for environment and the subdirectories for regions. And then we can write a Terraform again to consume those modules from there, right? So let's discuss about the challenges to manage the foo wrapper. So the first challenge is how we can deploy for one region and one environment at a one time. Yeah, we require to deploy sometimes into the one region of the one environment. It happens many times. Another challenge is to manage the Terraform state per region per environment. So from the challenges, you might thinking that we have to write some complex script to manage the execution for each environment and region. Here, this challenge is solved by the Terragrunt. How? Here, we are going to use the same approach of Terraform modules. We are going to create the wrapper call module with the directories for the services and its configuration to Terraform. But instead of writing a Terraform for consuming modules into the foo wrapper, we are going to write the Terragrunt over there. But let's have the same directory structure here. So what is the benefit? Here, Terragrunt CLI is allowing you to execute deployment per region, per environment, and also allowing us to manage the remote state separately per region, per environment. You might be figuring how. We will going to learn this into our upcoming video. Thanks for joining.